Hello, welcome to Back to Coding. This part is in continuation of the previous part, so go ahead, watch it first and then come back to this video again. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and a bell icon so that whenever I publish a video, you get notified instantly about it. In this practical, we will pass the date and time back to main activity and convert them to strings. Open main activity and add the process date picker result method signature that takes the year, month and day as arguments. Add the following code to the process date picker result method to convert the month, day and year to separate strings. The month integer returned by the date picker starts counting at 0 for January, so you need to add 1 to it to start show months starting at 1. Add the following after the code to concatenate the 3 strings and include /marks for the US date format. Add the following after the above statement to display a toast message. Extract the hard-coded string date into a string resource named date. This automatically replaces the hard-coded string with getString_r.string.date. Open date picker fragment and add the following to the onDateSet method to invoke the process date picker result method in main activity and pass it the year, month and date. You use getActivity, which when used in a fragment returns the activity the fragment is currently associated with. You need this because you can't call a method in main activity without the context of main activity. The activity inherits the context, so you can use it as the context for calling the method. The time picker fragment uses the same logic. Open main activity and add the process time picker result method signature that takes the hour of day and minute as arguments. Add the following code to the process time picker result method to convert the hour of day and minute to separate strings. Add the following after the above code to concatenate the strings and include a colon for the time format. Add the following after the above statement to display a toast message. Extract the hard-coded string time into a string resource named time. This automatically replaces the hard-coded string with getString_r.string.time. Open time picker fragment and add the following to the onTimeSet method to invoke the process time picker result method in main activity and pass it the hour of day and minute. You can now run the app. After selecting the date or time, the date or time appears in a toast message at the bottom. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Keep watching Back to Coding and don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.